Welcome to Learn with Asra, GK at your fingertips. In this video, we will cover top 25 MCQs on the G7 Summit 2025. Let's begin with your first question. When was the G7 Summit 2025 held? Right answer is B, June 15 to 17. Which country hosted the G7 Summit 2025? Right answer is D, Canada. Who chaired the G7 Summit 2025? Right answer is C, Mark Carney. What is the full form of G7? Right answer is D, Group of 7. Which edition of the G7 Summit was held in 2025? Right answer is B, 51st. Who attended the G7 Summit 2025 from India? Right answer is D, Narendra Modi. Which geopolitical issue was a major focus at the 2025 G7 Summit? Right answer is B, Israel-Iran conflict. Which country hosted the G7 Summit in June 2024? Right answer is D, Italy. Where was the G7 Summit held in June 2025? Right answer is B, Kananaskis. What diplomatic setup did India and Canada agree on during the G7 Summit 2025? Right answer is D, reappointment of High Commissioners. In which session did Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi participate at the G7 Summit 2025? Right answer is B, Outreach Session. In which year did Canada previously host the G7 Summit in Kananaskis before 2025? Right answer is B, 2002. Which was one of the key agenda themes at the G7 Summit 2025? Right answer is D, Energy Security and Digital Transition. How many countries are currently full members of the G7? Right answer is B, 7. Which European country was invited as a guest to the G7 Summit 2025? Right answer is C, Ukraine. Which Latin American country was invited as a guest to the G7 Summit 2025? Right answer is B, Brazil. When and where was the first G6 summit held? Right answer is C, 1975, France. Which country joined the G6 in 1976 to form the G7? Right answer is A, Canada. Which international institution regularly participates in G7 summits but is not a member? Right answer is C, European Union. How many times has India been invited to the G7 Summit in total till 2025? Right answer is D, 12. Which milestone did the 2025 G7 Summit mark? Right answer is B, 50th anniversary. Which key document was not released at the G7 Summit 2025 due to internal divisions? Right answer is C, Joint Communique. How many times had Canada hosted the G7 Summit before the 2025 edition? Right answer is B, 6. How much military aid did Canada pledge to Ukraine at the G7 Summit 2025? Right answer is C, 2 billion Canadian dollars. Which is the only Asian country that is a member of the G7 group? Right answer is D, Japan. How many times has Prime Minister Narendra Modi been invited to the G7 summit consecutively till 2025? Give your answer in the comment box. Let's see who gets it right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such updates. See you in next video.